Hey there, traders, and welcome back for episode number 75 from the StockBandit.tv. It's a place you can always find trading videos to make you better. All right, so here we are. It's June, and that means one thing: summer. Schools are out, people are starting to vacation, and that's cool because, we all need to take breaks from time to time. But along with that, in terms of trading conditions, comes lighter volume. And after all, anytime there are fewer people trading, there's going to be lighter volume, right? Of course. So does that mean that we ought to just pack up for the summer and meet back here at the end of August? Absolutely not. There's going to be some great moves this summer. There will be some great moves. There always are. It's just that at certain times in the summer, we need to slightly modify how we're trading based on the price action. So, for example, at the end of the summer is Labor Day and sort of the last chance vacation period for people. So that usually involves some lighter volume because there's fewer people around. During the week of July 4th, a lot of people take vacation. That's typically the lightest volume week of the entire year. So we know to expect some different kind of price action when that week rolls around. And of course, there's the beginning of summer, which is right now. That's what we're in. This is on the heels of the Memorial Day holiday, and it's just a common time for people to take vacations. After all, they've been waiting for summer to finally get here. So who can finally blame them for jetting as soon as it arrives? So here we are at the beginning of summer, and the action has been pretty choppy and pretty uneventful for well over a week. And the volume's been very light, and it seems like this market just is having a really tough time committing to a direction for even the duration of the day. And it seems lately like every day we're both positive and negative at some point during the session. And in the end, we keep finishing just a stone's throw from where the previous day ended. In fact, if I take a look back here at the daily chart of the NASDAQ, look at how minor these net changes have been over the past few days. It's been creeping higher, but really this is just a distinct lack of momentum. Now, we're just really not seeing much net progress, and so pretty much we're range bound for now. Even though we keep barely making new recovery highs, there is no momentum. So if you're like me and you've been trading every day and you're an active trader, I hope that you've noticed that the best moves lately have really come at two distinct times of day: the first hour and the final hour. And in between, there really hasn't been very much. So right now I'm looking here at the 3-minute chart of the NASDAQ, and essentially this is this week's trading. Here's Monday right here, Tuesday, we've got Wednesday, and then of course today. So take Monday for example. We got this move down, we got a lot of choppy action during the day, and we got a big spike back up late in the day. So two opposing moves that each mark the best momentum of the day: first hour and final hour. We saw yesterday, for example, great move off the open, big run up into the close. Today, big run up off the open, and a pretty good sell off late in the day. So really, that's what we keep getting and I'm finding right now that I really need to focus my day trading efforts on these two distinct periods. And the start of the day has had better liquidity and better momentum. That's very typical. And the end of the day has had much better volume and better price action in general. And in between, it's been very choppy, and therefore it's a recipe to just spin your wheels. And that's something that only your broker's going to love, because they can keep charging you commissions while your overall account just stagnates. So it's kind of a waste of time. It generates frustration, and I really don't prefer a lot of midday trading right now. So as we head into tomorrow, it's a summer Friday. It's during a week which has had extremely light volume. So know this: traders are likely going to be much more distracted as the day wears on. So don't force trades just because you might want some excitement. Concentrate really during that first hour. Try to get off to a good start. Be extremely selective midday, and don't give back your morning. And then as the final hour gets underway, if a decent move is there, then jump on it. But the key lately has been not to overtrade mid-session. All right, remember that. Tomorrow's Friday. Don't overtrade midday. All right, Thanks for joining me once again for this episode. I will be back soon with more videos, but until then, trade like a bandit.